Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got another knife review for you. I know, shock, whatever. This one right here, I got wind of in an email flash sale notification from SOG. Piqued my interest, so I'm bringing it here to the channel. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at this one. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying with me past that intro. As you see, we are taking a look at the SOG Flash II Tanto. Now, from my understanding, this one comes in about a couple different variations. I got the Tanto style without serrations. Like I said, I got an email from SOG, and they were having a flash sale. And there was just something about the way this blade looked that made me go, I want it. But, you know, ooh, wait. Okay, that's up. What the heck? Yeah, well, that's not embarrassing. Ah, there we go. Okay, the safety lock was down a little. I'll get to that in a moment. Now, as you enjoy my screw-up, I'm not going to edit that out because I believe in leaving it in. That's what it looks like. The SOG Flash II Tanto. Now, it's got an overall length of 8 inches. The blade is 3.5. And when it's closed, it's 4.5. It's got an okay weight to it of about 3.1 ounces. Now, what I liked, and this is what caught me right away. For some reason, I really love this steel. The blade steel is AUS 8 with a Rockwell rating of 57 to 58. The part that I went, okay guys, seriously, that was cool. Some other aspects are really cool, but glass reinforced nylon. Code for plastic. I do like the fact it has a reversible pocket clip, and it's only one way, so it's tip up. Now, the one thing I found really strange in here, as you can see right there, there's not a frame lock, there's not a liner lock. It has what's called a piston lock. Now, in order to close it, you have to move this back, and once you hit that certain point, the blade will close. Now, on this one, it has what's called SOG's Fast Open Assisted Opening. God, that sounds redundant. Fast Open Assisted Opening. But man, it rockets out. I mean, I'm very impressed with how it flops out. It has the dual thumb studs. Now, the one thing that I loved, and it tripped me up a moment ago, I'm going to show you this. Right here, it's got a safety lock. Just like with pistols and other knives we've brought to the channel, red, you're dead. Once that's engaged, in any way whatsoever, that will not open at all. Bring her up all the way. And it just rockets out there. Now, this is something that seems to be exclusive with SOG, and I have no freaking clue what it is. They're like, oh, it's got a black tinny finish. I'm like, so you just put a black coating on it. Okay. Yay. Oh, yeah, hey, before I forget. There's, you know, the front of the box. And there's what they give you on the back. And there's, you know, I like the fact they give you some of the stats right there on the back. Now, as we usually do, we went out and took a look at prices. Okay. On SOG's website, this is $85. Over on Amazon, you can find it for $46.90. I paid $44 before shipping for this guy because I clicked on, you know, that email that was here, flash notification. The only thing I seriously don't like is the way that well, basically the handle looks and how it sits in your hand. It has a weird feel for a small folder. But I mean, I know that's being picky. It just, I don't know, it's going to take me a little getting used to it when I'm carrying it because I'm used to different handles and different way things are done. Now, the rating on this guy over on SOG's website is 4.8 out of 5. And I thought to myself, okay, a couple reviews, right? No, 278. And over on Amazon, it's 4.5 out of 5. One of the biggest things people did not like, they kept forgetting about that right there. That makes me laugh. You buy a knife that has an built-in safety, but you forget about the built-in safety and you're pissed off because the knife won't open because the safety's engaged. But I don't know, that's my quick look at this one, guys, just like we usually do. Leave me your questions, comments, whatever, down below. If you're a first-time viewer to my channel, I seriously want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. It means a lot to me. You should be seeing a symbol popping up right over here. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, make sure you click on that bell icon. That way you're going to be notified every single time we put a brand new video up. And speaking of videos, you should see 2 of them popping up right over here. Those are going to be chosen from my catalog of videos by YouTube that they think is going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The SOG Flash II Tanto. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.